Jesse Wild, welcome back. It's been too long.
It has, but great to see you again.
And you. So tell me, what have you been up to?
Been a bit busy actually lately.
Something to do with the surroundings, perhaps?
Yeah, I've been building a new studio.
Like you have literally been building it with your dad and some builders
With my
as well.
dad and a lot of help from my wife, and we've had a few other builders and a few subcontractors.
Yeah, but you've been on the tools.
I have. I've literally had a builder's apron on, you know, banging nails in.
You've got to be pretty happy with this studio, though. It sounds amazing.
Mate, I'm really, really happy with the studio.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's a recording studio and a TV studio and
an event
home.
space. 50 people, theatre style, can attend events here.
And we live upstairs. We've got 230 square metres upstairs.
Yeah, awesome. Well, have you had any time to find anyone for the show? I mean, you've been busy, obviously.
The quality of the music for this season is incredible.
Wow. So, who's in the studio today?
For the season 3 debut show,
Drum roll, please.
we have Jackie Bristow.
Yes, we do. Very, very exciting. Now, how do you know Jackie?
Well, I approached Jackie, I think, when I saw a YouTube clip, and she was performing with Jason Kerrison.
Jason, of course, yeah.
And yeah, I just sent her a little note on YouTube, and she replied, and
Awesome. And she's doing a big tour right now.
now she's here because she doesn't normally live in New Zealand.
Yeah, exactly. Well, listen, she's here right now. Let's hear from Jackie.
Awesome.
Summer's gone, winter's coming on. I can feel a cold front blowing, and I don't see the fog lifting. Nothing is black or white, and there is gray in the light, and everybody's got their poison. Ooh, ooh. Hear the whistle blowing. Ooh, ooh. Goodbye, darling. I thought I saw you at the station. All around the leaves were falling. I don't know, but something's changing. I wish I could get off this train. Thought I heard you call my name. It was just the wheels are turning. Ooh, ooh. Hear the whistle blowing. Ooh, ooh. Goodbye, darling. Blow, blow, blow. Summer's gone, winter's coming on. I can feel a cold front blowing, and I don't see the fog lifting. Ooh, ooh. Hear the whistle blow. Ooh, ooh. Goodbye, darling.
you.
Oh my God, that was so cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I know that it's been a big mission to get here because you're in the middle of a tour right now. Or you've
I've just finished my tour in New Zealand. Yeah, had a fantastic time. Played all over New Zealand and then finished the tour opening for Bonnie Raitt on the weekend.
Oh my goodness, that must have been amazing.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome. We played in Wellington at the St James Theatre, and then we played the Civic Theatre. Saturday night. It was a very beautiful theatre with the beautiful sky and the stars and great acoustics, and it was a bit of a treat.
Cool. Because you live in America, but you are a Kiwi. Is
Yes,
that right?
I'm a New Zealander from Gore. I'm originally from Gore, from the deep south, and I lived in Australia for a few years, and then I lived in LA. I live in LA now, but I lived in LA. I lived down in Austin, Texas, and then back in LA. Yeah.
Oh. And you've been enjoying fantastic success. I've been following. So Bonnie Raitt, you supported Foreigner. That's a tour that's just gone. Steve Miller Band, is that right?
Steve Miller Band last year and Foreigner in February, just before we came down here with my guitar player who was just playing with me then, Mark Punch. And then we're opening for Olivia Newton-John, which is quite exciting, in May, somewhere outside Chicago somewhere, Illinois, I think it is. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Well, I have to ask you, because I know a lot of people want to know, how does a girl from Gore break through, do all this kind of fantastic touring stuff and, you know, with all these amazing names? How did you do it?
Well, I've been a bit of a lifelong journey. I started singing at 11, so I've been doing music my whole life. And I don't know, just a calling in life, and I just keep chugging along. Yeah, swimming upstream, but getting there.
If you had one tip for musicians, though, what might it be?
Oh, well, you know, just follow your heart, I think.
Oh,
Good tip. Do what you love.
that's
If
great.
it's working.
Well, it obviously is, and that was a fantastic treat for all of us.
Okay, thank
thanks
you.
so much
Thanks
for
for having me
joining
on the
us.
show.
Our pleasure.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Truly.
being
Good.
here.